When your tire looks like that, and you've plugged it twice, and then it still went flat, it's time to get a new one. So instead of these crappy stock Pirelli Scorpion trails that came with the bike originally and have over 7,000 miles on them now, actually I think over 8 now, instead of these crappy tires, I'm getting Dunlop Trailmax Mission tires, which are true 50/50 tires. Definitely more knobby than this, and something that's more built to go off-road and last longer. This tire was just super old, but since I got the bike last year, I just hadn't gotten around to replacing it because this is the first season that I am actually riding it, and I was just wearing out this tire as much as I can. But now it is past the point of no return, and literally as I am recording this, I wish I would have recorded that interaction, here came the UPS guy with the brand new Dunlop Trailmax Mission. Look at that guy. Woo. Alrighty, let's do this. Side by side, look at the difference. So as you can see, guys, this tire here is the old guy. Totally worn out. Disgusting, just not something you want to be riding on at this point. As you can tell, it's not quite a dirt bike tire, but it's much closer to one than the Scorpion Trails were. So I'm very excited to try this both on and off-road because I really am trying to share the time I ride 50/50 between on and off-road. I don't find myself on very insanely difficult terrain because I'm out here on Long Island, but more so that hard-packed sand, gravel, lots of woodsy areas. Not many crazy hill climbs or crazy terrains that I'm gonna need like TKC 80s or anything. So I didn't want to go that aggressive. I didn't like the idea of running a full knobby on the street. It's probably more so because I haven't tried it. It's probably not that bad. But this seemed like a much more street-oriented option that can also go off-road and still has that blocky tread pattern. It also has really good reviews in terms of the longevity. 8,000 miles of use is quoted out of this tire. That's a lot of mileage, and that'll work for me. So let's go, guys. I already got the tire off. I did that before even starting this video because I hadn't planned on making a video. But I already got the tire off and removed, so all I need to do is run down to the shop to have them replace this tire onto that rim, and then basically just popping it back onto the bike here, which should take literally 30 minutes or less, not even. Then going out for a ride, so we'll hop on the bike after we get it installed, test it out, and see how it goes. But for now, let's go ahead and get it installed, guys. Let's run down to the shop and get this puppy on. I can't wait.
Bike boys, peace.
Alrighty, so let's get to the shop. The one thing I'm concerned about is I don't know where my GoPro little screw thing is to actually connect it to the mounts. So I don't know. Hopefully I can find that when I get back so that I can get some footage on the bike. But it actually looks like it's going to rain very soon. The sky is getting gray, so it might not be a great day to go out and ride. And/or it might not be a great day to film, especially. So we might have to delay that for another time. But for now, let's get to the shop because I want to get this tire mounted at the very least. Just got to the shop. Looks like they got a lot of bikes out here that they're working on or whatever. Yeah, a lot of bikes over there. But let's see if they have some room to just put on a tire for me. I mean, that's not too hard to ask for. It's just like a 10-minute job, so shouldn't be too much to ask for. So let's do it, guys. It'll probably be 10 seconds for you because you're lucky and you don't actually have to live this, but it's all right. I'll be right back. Alrighty, so here she is, all mounted up. It's all done. Look at this meaty tire. Woo! This thing looks sick. I can't wait to get on the bike because it just looks sick. So that's something too. It's gonna improve the look of the bike. And so I'm super excited. Okay, just gonna put this in the passenger seat. Try to. Might not fit here. Let me see if the door closes. Oh, it closes. No, maybe not. There we go. Done with that. That was easy. And he told me he'd give me a discount the next time I come in because I've been coming in every time, and he's the man. Let me make the drive home. It's about 15 minutes, and I will see you then. All right? Peace. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are home, and here is the tire. I mean, this thing looks sick. It just looks awesome, and I'm really excited to try it out. And so let's get it mounted up. Alrighty, shouldn't be too difficult. So, slide her in just like this. It is a bit of a taller tire because they didn't have the 160 size, so it's a bit taller, but it should fit. Should. No, it will fit. I saw in the forums it does fit. So first order of business is getting this axle rod through. Pro tip: use gloves whenever you're, messing with the chain. Pretty much whenever you're messing with the bike, but who does that really? Little greasy hands never hurt anybody. This goes in here. Okay, let's go ahead and bring this up. There we go. Now we're gonna get this thing through. Boom, just like that. No more parts on the table, so no more mistakes. We should be good from here on out. Exclamation point on the should be. And start tightening. So right now I'm adjusting the slack on the chain and/or the alignment of the wheel. Alrighty, ladies and gents, we are ready to tighten down. Tighten down here as much as I can, and then we'll go for the breaker bar. Time to tighten this up real good. Should be easy. The hard part about this is holy shit, guys. I did it. I fucked up again because I need to put the brake caliper on. I forgot to put this brake caliper on. And this also has to go through the axle. Let me live in this pain in my own misery because you guys don't need to endure this. I won't record this, and I'll get back to you as soon as I redo this. Thanks for being patient. Yeah, see, doing your own work, it saves money, and I love that, and I love learning how to do this stuff. But it definitely comes with knowing you're gonna make mistakes and knowing things are gonna go wrong. It's gonna take twice as long as you think. Nice and tight. Let it rest on the rear tire. One more, come on. Oh my God, nice. I've had enough, guys. Look, socket is gone. I gotta find it somewhere on the garage floor. Is this fun or what? Tell me. Yeah. Where could it have possibly flown off? What an idiot. It's literally, you see this? It's literally still on there. And I'm thinking I gotta go look for it. It's literally right there. Keep it simple, stupid. Alrighty, that's literally about as tight as it's gonna get. Alright, guys. Oh my God, that's it. It's installed. Let me clean all this up. And then I am gonna go for a test ride, but I'm not gonna record this one because I don't even know where the GoPro thing is. And it's only gonna be a very short ride down to the lake. Now, on my next day available, I will be recording a GoPro video of testing out the tires. But look at this tire, guys. Holy cow, look at that thing. Look at this thing. Dang, this thing is sick. And it improves the whole look of the bike. Really makes it look like an adventure bike. So, I'll end the video off here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, because even though it takes a lot of work and takes a lot of mistakes, it's worth it in the end. And check out the next video to see me actually testing these tires out and giving them a sort of review and letting you know what my first thoughts or impressions are. But in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Get out there and ride and get some new damn tires because you probably need them. Peace.